Hi everyone, it's Emily, and today we're going to be doing a bug attraction experiment. So for this experiment, we are going to be figuring out what kinds of bugs are in our backyards. So what we will need is a small container, so like a yogurt container that's empty or a butter tub, a small shovel, and some honey. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our container and put a little bit of honey in it, and then we will go out into our yard and dig a little hole and place our container in the hole and leave it there for a little bit and then see what bugs that it attracts. So before we do the actual experiment, I'm going to give you guys a few ways to help work on your child's communication. So you could have them point at what supplies you need, or you could have them point and say it with one word. And then if they have more words, you could have them point and say the cup or need cup. Then when we actually do the experiment and go out and look at the bugs, you could have them point at the bugs. You could have them point and say bug or what's that? So before we go outside, I have my container and I have honey that I'm gonna put a little bit of in the container. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in there. Okay. And now we're gonna bring the container outside and I'm gonna grab a shovel to dig a little hole. So I'm outside now and I dug a little hole with a shovel that I had, and I'm going to place the container in it and just push the mulch back around so that it is level with the ground. And I'm gonna leave the container out here for a bit, and I'm gonna check it later today to see what bugs have attracted in our honey. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Okay, so it is 2 days later, and I kept my cup out here for 2 days because the weather was kind of rainy, and then I would check it every day, and there really wasn't too much in the cup. So I'm going to show you guys today what I see in my cup. And parents, this would be a good time to prompt your child to say, "What's that?" or "bug." So for me, a lot of what's in here is just a lot of dirt. There's a couple little worms in there. So I'm sure everybody's will come out a little bit different, but that's just what I have in mind. So I'm just gonna dump everything back out. And I'm gonna recycle the cup. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment.